celebrating this day for 17 years, the recognition. Just this year, Fairfax County was ranked the #1 county digitally in the United States, with populations over 500,000. The judges in awarding the county this recognition, #1 in the US, specifically referenced one of the GIS projects that we awarded last year on GIS Day. This is a chance to encourage the use of innovative technology and encourage continued use of that to innovate and even transform our services. 17 different agencies submitted for the awards today. All of them, to me, are winners, but the judges, the independent judges that we have, had the challenging task of figuring out, well, out of all those, who do we give the main awards to? One of the things I talk about is the transformation ability of technology, and we're seeing that more and more with GIS. If you walk around the exhibits today, you'll see the fire department using mobile technology to increase the efficiency of checking out people's homes and smoke detectors, replacing them, adding batteries. Highly important for field crews. You'll see that the Department of Public Works, which is responsible for a lot of trails and sidewalks in the county, they're using GIS technology to prioritize. Where do you repair those? Near a metro station, a school? Again, couldn't do it without GIS.